Light soy sauce is a common seasoning in Chinese cuisine, adding saltiness to food. Dark soy sauce is also a common seasoning in Chinese cuisine, mainly used in the preparation of braised and stewed dishes, adding color to food and a little saltiness. Pixie doubanjiang is usually used in Sichuan cuisine and is an indispensable seasoning in braised dishes. Cooking wine is usually used in the cooking of fresh meat and seafood and has the effect of removing fishy smell. Alcohol will evaporate during the heating process, so there is no need to worry about the smell of wine. Vinegar mainly adds sourness to dishes and is often used in cold dishes or special cuisines. Starch water mainly plays the role of thickening, making the sauce thicker and better absorbed on the ingredients, enriching the taste. At the same time, starch can better lock the juice inside the meat when marinating meat, making the meat more tender and smooth. White pepper powder mainly plays the role of removing fishy smell when marinating meat. In addition, it can also be used as a spicy seasoning in soup dishes. Spices such as star anise and bay leaves, usually used in braised meat dishes, removing fishy smell and adding a unique fragrance.